Hello friends, another day, another video with a lot of DIY ideas for your backyard pool. So let's start. A backyard swimming pool offers fun and entertainment for the entire family. The construction process is not as hard as you think. Building a pool is not like designing a spaceship. You could hire a professional to build your backyard pool, but that would entail spending money. After you watch the video, you will have enough knowledge to build a swimming pool. Wood pallets are multi-purpose DIY material. You probably didn't know wood pallets could make an above-ground pool enclosure. One attraction to this idea is how an above-ground swimming pool doesn't require digging. This one makes use of a lot of wood pallets, which is a great way to reduce the cost of this project. For something smaller, you could make use of old stock tanks. They come in different sizes, so choose one that fits well with your backyard. You will need to invest in a pool pump to keep the water clean. It has a stylish wooden frame that doubles as seating. The surface area offers a place for your pool accessories like towel, toys, and beverages. If you want to set up just a basic stock tank pool to start with and figure out all the accessories and other extra features later, you can check out this video. Using pallets to build your own little pool in the backyard is a great way to save some money, especially if you plan on using wood for the exterior frame anyway. You can also use pallets to add accessories like stairs for each easy access or small deck around it. If you want to build your own DIY swimming pool, create a plan and follow it. It doesn't take a genius to understand how an in-ground swimming pool involves more labor and money. DIY in-ground swimming pools aren't the best option if you want to save money and have a pool in the backyard. One thing to consider is whether you wanted a wooden deck. You should know that wooden deck come with extra responsibilities but also provide greater convenience. If you want to beat the summer heat, a backyard custom swimming pool is the best solution. So, with the DIY methods we are providing here, you should have plenty of knowledge to get the job done. So, this is all about today's video, and I hope so you like all the ideas about the pools and you will try it on. To subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.